All right, this is going to be our journey through the atmosphere presentation by me and Avery. So, the troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. It is the one that is closest to us. It's the lowest point, lowest altitude of all the spheres, and the temperature of this part of the atmosphere decreases as the altitude increases. All the weather that happens on Earth happens within this part of the atmosphere, which is all the clouds, all the thunderstorms, and all the rain. The boundary between the troposphere and the next layer, the stratosphere, is called the tropopause.
The stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. The stratosphere temperature increases as the altitude increases. The reason for this increase in temperature is due to the ozone layer. The boundary between the stratosphere and the mesosphere is known as the stratopause.
All right. The mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. The temperature decreases with the increasing altitude, making this layer the coldest layer out of all. And the boundary between the mesosphere and the next layer, which is the thermosphere, is called the mesopause.
The thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere and is subdivided into the ionosphere. Temperatures increase with increasing altitude similar to the stratosphere. Solar radiation in this layer causes extremely high temperatures. This is why movies that depict spaceships entering an atmosphere, they burn up and catch fire.
And the outermost region of the atmosphere, the one that is farthest away from the surface, is the exosphere. The density is extremely low, and molecules that exist within this part are practically collisionless. The air is very thin and is mostly made up of helium and hydrogen, which makes it pretty impossible to breathe that high, and is the farthest point from Earth that is affected by its gravity.